61. Hello, madam. Madam. Okay, madam. Okay. Wait. Okay, madam. I see that one. Okay. 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 Okay, madam. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Buddha.
We joining now.
Ah.
Can you tell me?
Yes, yes. Yes, wait for a while, huh?
Okay.
Wait. Okay, I'll just, okay, now. Can you all see the screen?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Buddha.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Can you all see the screen?
Good morning, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, right. Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, we wait for a
Yes.
right. Oniki, Abhilash, Vasandi, Suvi.
Sir.
Shahim,
Yes.
can you all see the screen now? Right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, wait for a while, huh?
Yes. Yes.
itu man karena model balagan mo.
Sir.
Yes, Pata. Okay, turn to page number 65. Okay, today we are going to do the selection tool. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Yes, Pata.
අර එදා කරපු අර වැඩේ සර්ට දැම්ම සර් බැලුවද?
Oh, Putta, hondai. I will just send you. Okay, I got it somehow. Right?
ඕකේ ඒක දැකලා.
Okay. Today. Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, sir.
Okay, good morning. Okay, good morning. Okay, welcome back to IT session today. Okay, so today we are going to do another tool in Paint. Okay,
Okay.
right. So what is the tool? We are going to do the select tool. Yes, 65, Buddha. 65.
65.
Yeah, 65. Page number 65. Huh?
Ini mahal kan?
Page number 65. Okay. 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 Now we have. Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Buddha.
I can work with the mouse.
Very good. Very good. You can do it, no? Nice, very good. That's the way
Yes,
you want.
my younger brother's computer has make with mouse. I can do anything what I can.
Very good. So you also, right? So everyone, you can do it now. Okay. Now what I'm doing
Okay.
here, you all try at home. Okay. That's the thing I'm just showing
I
you.
didn't have a mouse at home.
You didn't have.
No. I can also.
You can also. Okay. Very good, everyone.
I can also.
Yeah, that's the way. That's the thing.
I
you
have
do.
all computer parts.
Yeah, very good. Okay. Okay. Shall we start the lesson now? Okay. Now today,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Right, now look at the screen now. Okay, what is this tool you can do? Now you can see a small picture on the screen, no? Malaysia, Mayangana, okay? Anchi, okay? Right? So I'm going to now select a part of this picture. Okay, so look at here. You can use the select tool to select a part of the drawing. So it means if I want to select this area, I have to use which tool? Select tool. Okay. Okay. Let's see how to do. Okay, right, Suvi? Okay, right. Now you can use the select tool. Okay, I'm going to use the select tool. Can you see this here? Can you see here? I'm just going. Yeah, it's called a select tool. So once you select this one, there are different kind of select tool there. Can you see? We have a,
Yes.
what is the first one? Can you see everyone is here? See the screen?
Yes.
Everyone look at the screen.
Yes.
Children,
Yes.
please look. Okay, what is the first tool? In the select tool, we have called a rectangular selection tool. What is that? Rectangular selection tool. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Then what is second one? Free form selection. What is that?
From center.
Freeform selection. Yes.
Yeah.
Free from
Form
selection.
What is the first one? Rectangular selection. Second one, free form
Free from select.
free form selection. Then we have got another option called select all. Okay. Select all also there, right? So I'm going to go again. Select here. Now, if you select the rectangular selection tool, it will get the selected as a rectangular area. Now, see here, if I want to cut off this part here, now can you see? We can draw. Okay. Now you can see it's got a rectangular shape. Can you all see? Taruki, can you see? Suvi, can you see?
Yes.
Shalim, okay? Can you see? Okay, now okay, now after that I'm going to move. I'm going to move means click it and I'm going to take it out. Did you see? I'll do it again. Go to select,
Yes.
then select the rectangular one.
Yes.
Okay, Suvi. Then
Yes.
take this area. If I want to have this shape, I can take this kind of shape. Then click on this middle and click it, and you can move it to this part. Okay, right? So how to reverse this one? We call the undo. Can you see this button undo? Now, if I done a mistake, I can correct it back. So look at here. I just press this button, undo button. See what happens. It will keep it as the earlier picture. Look at here. Did you see?
Yes.
I will do it again. If I take this one, I'm going to move it. Now, I want to keep it back. I can keep it like this also, right? But it's better to go for
teacher.
yeah.
Where the undo?
In the quick access toolbar. Can you see here? Here, undo. Control is it. Can you see this? Turn to the left side arrow. Can you see? Can you see? This one. Can you see? This is the undo. This is the undo. This is the redo. Redo means what? If you done a work, here it will come back like that. If you undo, it will reverse. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, children,
Yes.
everyone.
Yes.
Suvi, Suvi, Malisha, Umayangana,
Yes.
Oniki,
Yes.
is it clear? Sadisha, right? Okay. Now what is that tool? We call the rectangular selection tool.
Rectangular selection.
Selection tool. Okay. So that's the rectangle. Okay. Now let's say the free form selection is what to do. Right. Now we're going to click this small arrow. Then select the free form selection, and you can draw whatever shape you want here. If I want to have whatever shape you want, like that. I just undo how to do. Let's see that. Click this one. Then free form. Free form is what? The free way you want. The way you draw, the way you cut, you can select. Okay. Just select, and then I just draw with a flower shape. Like this one. Then if I take it this like this. Okay, I just undo again, right? Again, what do you do? If I want to cut like a triangle shape, yeah, I just draw from my mouse. Okay, this is doing for my mouse. Yeah, take it out, undo, right? If you're going to draw it, or if you want to cut it like this here, like this area, like this one, or like this. Like this. Okay, I just show you better clearly. Okay, right. Right now you can see. Okay, I go to the selection tool again. Okay, selection tool, free form selection. Okay, children, Abhilash, right? Click it. Now I'm going to draw here. Like this. Okay, right. Okay. Okay, right. Now that's what's tool, Buddha. That's called the free form selection. So what is the earlier one we discussed, children? Yeah, rectangular selection tool. Okay, so let's see rectangular one again. If you click this one, if you cut, it will be like this. Right. So right. Then if I want to draw this one here again, okay. Again, if I want to cut like this, here like this. So that's the one, right? Rectangular selection, right? Now, if you want to select the entire picture, that's we call the select all. Now we have selected part of this one now. So what we do? We just take a rectangular or freehand shoe. So if we take freehand, okay. Right. So freehand, we can cut it like this. Right. So I just undo again. Right. So let's see how to do. If I select all, what will happen? Select all. You can see the entire picture. You can see that entire picture has selected. Can you see a dot line? Can you see a white color dot line around the picture?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Everyone can see now?
Yes, teacher.
Right. So that's means
Yes.
if you now see, it's now select entire picture out from this border,
Yes.
right? From the page, right? Now it is selected, right? So is it clear?
Right.
Right. It's mean why to go what? Selection. Yes, Buddha.
Draw it.
Yeah, you can draw it and you can try this one. So I have drawn this picture.
Sir,
Yes, Buddha. Just tell me.
I draw it computer to the group.
Okay. You just send the pictures to the group. Okay.
It's okay.
Okay. To the group, or you just send me to my email account. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay. Right.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's see how to do it again. Now select that tool and we can do right. Now let's see the next one. Okay. Is it clear? Select everything to picture except only the current selection. It calls invert selection. So invert selection means, let's see how to do. Invert selection. Now it will out of that one. Now here if I select this area, it will invert to select everything in the picture except the current selected area will be selected. Now here. And if I select this one, invert selection, you can see it take that picture and take the other out. Can you see? I do it again. Now I just select this one. Okay, here freehand selection. Now this freehand selection and just select this area. Now keep it that and take the others out. How you going to select? So you're going to go select, call invert selection. Except this area, other area will be selected. Now look at here. I just move it. See, it will be taken out. Okay. Okay, Kanchi, Sandesh. Okay. Right.
Okay.
Okay, children. Right. So this is called the what? Invert selection. Now, if you want to delete, so yeah, if you delete, it is delete the. Yes.
I don't understand.
What did you understand? What didn't you understand? Tell me. Okay.
You talk.
How to go what now? Do you know how to go to select tool? Any question about that? Who said she can't understand? Tell me. Okay, is it clear, Puta? Now, if you want to select, okay, is it clear? Okay, now look at here. If I want to select a particular area of a picture, you have to go to select tool. Okay, is it clear? Okay, look at here, children. If I want to have a rectangular selection area, I just click the selection. It will be a rectangular shape. Okay. If I draw around here, it will get a rectangular shape. Okay. Any kind of a rectangular shape here. If I make it like this size, now you can see can you see a dot line here with a rectangular shape? Okay. Now the who said she can understand? Just listen now.
Yes.
Listen now. Okay. I just do it again. Now select the selection tool. Then click on this on the mouse in the middle of this selected area and just move it. Move to your left or move to your right. Is it clear? Now it will be take this picture part out of this picture. That's why we use the word selection tool. Select a part of the picture. Now I select this part. From the entire picture, I have select this part. No? Can you see? The picture is I'm moving here. Up to there, any questions? Everyone?
No.
That the daughter who said she can understand. Is it clear, dear?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Pata.
We had drawing in the computer and paper.
So you have to draw in the computer, Pata.
No.
You have to draw in the computer.
Teacher.
Yes,
To
Pata.
the print them.
Sorry?
To the print them.
No, don't print them. Just draw it. Draw it in the
Okay.
paint. Just save the file. That's the thing you have to do. Now, I want to save. Okay, I just show you again. I want to save this picture. First save. Okay. Now there you save. We say boy. Boy is my picture name. Okay. So just
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Can you send that one that you draw now?
Drawn out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Can you send it later?
Sorry, dear. What's this? Again, tell me.
Can you send that that you draw later? Not now.
Okay. Right. Look at here. I just free hand, and we can select the free hand, and you can move it. Okay, like this. Okay. Right. Now we just go to the next tool. Okay. Right. It's called the magnifier tool. What is magnifier? Okay. Page number 66. Magnifier tool. So this you can use magnifier tool to zoom in on your part of your drawing area. It means I can see the bigger one. So how are you going to do this one? Okay. Magnifier. This is the magnifier glass. So if you can't see the book, you can use the magnifier glass to see in your book reading. So same way, the picture you can't see, click this magnifier. You can see here. Now you can see it's bigger. Can you see? Magnifier, right? Right? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Is it clear? Magnifier.
Yes.
Right. So you can see magnifier. Okay. Right?
It's bigger. It's
Yeah.
very bigger.
Yeah. You can see the picture whether there's some space.
Teacher.
Yes,
Sir.
Buddha. Yes, Buddha.
They're very big.
Yeah. You can see a big size or the big scale. The part of that.
The
one.
faces.
Yeah. Faces
The
now.
big.
Yeah, big. It's called magnifier. Right now here, you and I big. Here you and I can see the here I. So I can find out where if there are some mistake, if there is space. Likewise, you can find out. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Magnifier.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, magnifier is that. Okay, I just do it again. Okay. Right, look at here again. Click this magnifier. Okay. Then we say I want to see this area, this face. Just click on this point. Here. It's becoming larger. If I want to see this eye bigger, here. That's up to there. Is it clear? Now, right? Is it clear? Now, you can see this here from this
Teacher.
one. You can make it magnify here. Like,
Teacher.
right? Okay. Yeah, any questions up to there?
No.
Vonal, is it clear? Suvi, Malisha?
Yes. Yes. Teacher, I have to send you.
Okay.
Tell.
Okay, Buddha. Okay, you can try this. Okay, look at here. Okay, first look at how the sir is doing. Then you can do it. Okay. Now just magnify. Okay. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
Right. Now we just see now the color picker. Color picker tool. Okay. Page number 68. So color picker is, you can see here. Color picker, right? Can you see? You can use the color picker tool. 68. Okay.
Teacher, what?
60,
What? The page.
68 Puta Selini. Color picker tool. Okay, Suvi. Okay, Kanchi, Oneki. Right. Right. So what is this color picker? Okay, everyone. Okay, ready? Right. So you can use the color picker tool to set the current foreground or background color. So here, color picker tool. Now it is what? Right? Green. So I'm going to select something different.
Yeah.
Okay. Right now, pick the color of the picture that you want to set the background color. Okay, right? Now you can see the foreground color is there. You can see it here. Okay, color 1. Okay, then we say pick up purple color, right? Then okay, then right click on the color in the picture that you want to set as a background color. So what is this one?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, is it clear? Right? So that's the color picker tool. Then this is the work you have to do at home. Okay, this is the work
Okay.
you have to make a fruits.
Very nice.
Okay, can you see the practice time? So I'm going to take a new one. Now look at here how I'm going to draw it. Okay, I just take a new one, everyone. Yeah. Okay, I'm just okay. Look at the page. Page number 69, fruits. Okay, look at here. There's a question there. Okay.
Beautiful.
Mudita loves to eat fruits. Okay, Mudita loves to eat fruits. She has created the following drawing in paint. Okay, use your imagination and create a similar one in paint. So you can create any kind of fruit you like. You may like apples, you may like pineapples, you may like pepper, right? So not banana, then mango, right? Any fruits you like. It's up to you, okay? You don't need, yes, right?
We can draw too.
Yeah, you not only now how many fruits in the picture? Okay, how many fruits in the picture in your book? Tell me. Four, no? There are four pictures, no? You can see 2 apples, 1 banana and grapes are there, no? Can you see? Oneki?
Yes.
Suvi? Okay? Okay, now save the drawing as fruits. So look at here, I'm going to draw my picture. Okay, look at here, I'm just going to take my pencil tool first. Then I can use my brush there. I will pick up my color, drawing color as my pencil color is black. Then I'm going to draw my shape first of all, right?
And what's next?
Right? Yes.
The apple.
Huh?
Draw the apple.
No, no. Look at here what I'm drawing. So you can draw whatever the fruit you want. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, right? So you can draw any pictures. Okay, look at here. This is my painting. So look at this one first. Then you can try. Okay, right. Then I'm going to draw the banana.
Banana गिर गया.
Okay. Right. Then I will draw some grapes. I can use my circle tool. Right. Then I use my pencil the back. So I just put a small like this. Okay. Then I can draw a pepper. Right. If you want to have, right. So you can pick up the size of that one here. You can draw this pepper, right? Something like this. Oh, right. Or you can use it. You can draw a pineapple if you want. Pineapple if you want.
A mango.
A mango. Okay, look at here. Right, pineapple. Okay, pineapple. Okay, now here. Right. Now that's drawing. Now after drawing this one, we have to color this one, no? So I just choose this one. Okay, I just choose this one to color. We say orange. I can pick up this. Okay. Yes, sir. Tuda. Okay. Okay, color. Okay, we can color. Then put the green color to the top. We just take green color. Right here like this. Sorry. So why this become green? Can you tell me why this become green, Suvi? Because there's no connection. Can you see? There's a gap. Very good. There's a gap there. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to color my apple. Then I'm to color my grapes. Maybe I can use green color or I can use the purple color for grapes. Okay.
What?
Grapes.
Yeah. Right. So you can draw many grapes if you want. Okay. Right. Then so likewise, then you say take banana. We take banana. We take this one. Right. Banana. Right. Banana. Then if you want to take apple.
Blue now.
Grapes is. You want to? I can take the green color if you want, Putha. Okay. Right. Right. Purple. Or we can use green color. Okay. So there are green grapes are there. Purple grapes also there. No, Putha. Right. Is it clear?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Putha.
On the pineapple.
Yeah. You can now because there's a small gap there, so I have to first correct that one. So I have to join this part. Then I can pick up the color and I can pick the color here like this. So if there's a small gap between this, it will take that entire color to the screen or to the background also. Okay, Selini, Suvi, Malisha, Umayangana, is it clear, Puta? Taruki?
Yes. Yes.
Manaki, is it clear? Shahim? Right? So they have given you a work for that. Okay. So can you do that at home?
Okay.
Okay.
Sir.
Then use the text tool. So, yeah, use the text tool.
Yes.
Text tool,
Yes.
and you type what fruits. Okay.
Hi, sir.
So you can change the font here, right? Okay. Then you can buy who has done. You can say fruits, and you can say your name also if you want. Just okay. We say
Sir,
yes, Buddha.
I'm write my name.
Yeah, you can type your name. We say fruits. You can put a small dash and say who's this fruits belongs to that. So example, I can say here, we say Janvi. Okay. Januda. Okay, example. Fruits by Januda, like that. Okay, likewise, you can create. Is it clear? So you have to use these tools. Yeah, to type the name of the topic, you have to use the text tool, no? So text tool, and you can use the colors if you want here. Now this is red. I can make to red color here. Highlight this one, and you can say green or maybe orange color here, right? Is it clear? Shahim, Suvi, is it clear, Puta?
Yes.
Malisha, Sandy,
Yes.
Bonal, is it clear, Puta? Okay, so try this at okay. So try this at home, and can you do the exercises of the page number 70 and 71? Okay, 70 and 71. And
Okay.
okay, and if you have any time also by next week, can you draw that one in the lab? There's a nice picture there. Page number 72. Can you see
Okay.
a nice flower with that one?
We try to do.
Yeah. Okay. First you do this fruits one. Do the fruits one. And if you have time, do this in the lab one also. And the exercise also. Okay. Okay. Is it clear, children? Right? Okay. I will stop for now. Okay. Okay. I will stop for now. So please complete this work, exercises, and the in the lab and this fruits exercise. Practical one.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, thank you, children, for joining today. Okay. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye for now. Bye for now. Okay. Bye for now, Buddha. Okay. Okay. Bye, Buddha. See you next week. Bye, sir.